Hey y'all, welcome back to Bolt Fanatics. I'm Chris.
I'm Brad.
This is my buddy all the way back from high school. He's come all the way in from New Jersey to come and see what all this fishing on the new river for these big muskies
is all about.
You want to see what it's all about?
Let's do it.
All right, let's do it. So we got some bait this time. What we're doing is on the river, we're taking the clear board planter boards and we're putting 3 off each side. So then behind us, we're putting flat lines out using the 40X release float. Have you ever caught a muskie before?
No, be my first time today if we're lucky.
Well, hopefully, fingers crossed. We're gonna see what we can do. Y'all stay tuned, all right? So what we're using today are live gizzard shad. We call this size here mongos, about 12-incher. Put a circle hook here in the nose using a 3/0 circle hook, using a big treble, putting it right behind the butt right there. We're using a 100-pound mono instead of using wire. We've used wire in the past, and I think it's just, there's no flex to it. So we bumped it up and we started using the mono, and a 100-pound line, they're not gonna go through that. They have some teeth, but they're not gonna go through a 100-pound mono. So that's our leader set up. We're using 3 to 4 foot leaders with the stinger hook tied to that and trolling with 8 rods, 3 on each side, 2 off the back. Good. Oh. That's yours, get it. Yeah, my boy, that's a musket.
Oh yeah.
Keep tension on it, keep it up.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Dang, this thing is ridiculous. Look at that.
He's huge too, man. I saw him. Did you see him when he hit?
Sorta. Yeah.
Sorta.
Oh my gosh. All right, I don't want to lose him, but.
Yep. Oh my gosh, he is huge, dude.
Holy.
Yep.
Oh my gosh. He's like pulling the line.
Yeah. I got to get out of this stuff though. All right, he's going to the other side. Yes, he is. He is huge. He is definitely a citation.
Oh, he's coming in hot.
No! All right, well, okay. I lost my rod.
Really?
Yep.
This is harder than any striper, I'll tell you right now. Here, get him. I'm bringing him in hard. Oh man, he's mad.
All right, give him some slack. Give him some slack, you're gonna lose him. All right, he's coming up again. In the net. In the net. Oh my gosh. He's huge. All right. Oh my gosh, dude. Your first muskie. Dude, that is awesome. Oh my gosh. I need the. Oh my gosh, dude. Holy crap.
My whole body. Holy moly.
Hello, buddy.
My whole body.
How long is he? All right. He is 42.5 inches. 18 pounds. What a fish. Wow, man. That is absolutely beautiful. Let's go ahead and let him go. Whew. All right, let him go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, dude, you got one. Okay. I think you got it. Oh yeah. Got him. All right. Yeah. Woo. All right.
Nice.
Oh, man.
Is he a big one?
He's heavy. Still hasn't shown himself yet. But man, he's starting to fight now. Ooh, he's wearing me out. Oh man. Come on, buddy. Oh, I see him. Oh. In the net! In the net! Oh. Yeah! Yeah, baby.
Damn, that one's bigger than mine.
Oh my gosh, he's huge.
Holy crap.
Oh man. How long is he? Is
44 inches.
45. It's at the very end, which is 45 inches. 25. Oh my goodness. No, sorry, 24. 24 pounds. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Beauty. He's a monster. There he goes. Off to lurk another day. River monsters, baby. Woo! Yeah. Dude, that is awesome.
Did it.
We did it.
2 citations in one day.
2 citations. Not only citations, but musky citations.
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Caught it on the original clear board number 99 rods. My very first citation muskie. His very first muskie ever that ended up being a citation. Wow. Good job, man.
We did it.
We did it.
Awesome.
That's cool. Wow, y'all, what an amazing time. Not only did we get Brad on his very first muskie, what'd you catch?
Got a citation.
Citation, baby. And then we backed it up with another one. Not one, but 2 citation-sized muskies in one day. That's incredible, man. That was awesome. Thank you, man.
Fishing with 1,000 casts, we do it in one.
No, I thought it was great, man. Was it worth
Yeah.
coming all the way from New Jersey?
Awesome.
Awesome.
It was awesome.
Yeah,
Totally worth it.
How was the fight?
They fight more than a striper.
They did the death roll, man. He came up. It was incredible. I had an awesome time. So the most awesome part was Brad got to experience the entire thing. We went and caught bait, brought the gizzard shad here to the river. You got to see the whole experience. Yeah, and if it wasn't for extreme bait tanks, the original clear boards, double X tackle, we wouldn't have been able to do that. The rods, how'd you like the original clear board number 99 rods?
They function great.
Yeah,
Really well.
oh my gosh, the first muskie we've ever caught on them. They've got such a soft tip, you keep that tension on them the entire time, as you can see. So it worked out good. How'd you like getting on the old boat again?
Well, we didn't sink like the Titanic, so it's all right.
So yeah, this is my great-grandfather's boat. Brad and I, back in high school, we used to skip school just to paint this boat and go fishing on it, and the old brush lines and trout lines, whatnot, but
Still using it today.
still using it today. So it means a lot to me to be able to put this boat back in the water. Well, congratulations, buddy.
We did it.
So I appreciate y'all watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to both Fin-Atics. Thanks, y'all.
Have a good one. Stacy just, I guess, didn't get a good representation because that fought harder than any striper. I don't care. That is a strong fish.